Good morning and welcome to Florida, day 8. This is my outfit today. It didn't go as originally planned, but we've made it work. So I'm Disney bounding as Mara Jade because we're going to Galaxy's Edge. And Madison is Ray. Hold on, I'll show you. Look how good she looks. Turn around, show them your hair. I did your hair. Well, you've messed it up already. Let's sort that, but yeah. She's Ray today. Most people get excited about turning the corner and seeing the castle. Me, on the other hand, I get excited about turning the corner and seeing my favourite ride. Oh my god. I don't even think I can actually tell you how excited I am. Oh, look at it. Oh my god.
Let's see some ID.
It's okay, Papa. It's okay.
We'll keep an eye on you, civilian. Oh.
That was really fun. We was quite a rush though because we are now building lightsabers. We're just looking at the menu. They give you a menu to look at. I think I'm going to go with peace and justice. I'm really excited. Oh my goodness.
Those cards up and ready for me. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the workshop.
You have made it here, and in all honesty, it is not an easy path to get here. We throw a lot at you as soon as you walk in the door, so I want to just give you a moment to take in this room. Most don't get the chance to see it. Crystal, and place in that small rectangular crystal tray. It's up at the front of your build station. It's gonna hit that problem.
Oh my goodness. So, well, here's my handle. This is what mine looks like. It's very heavy. I didn't expect them to be so heavy, but they're actually quite heavy. Obsessed. It does work. I'm not going to open it yet.
That is not supposed to happen.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time. Builders, in a moment, the bond between Saber and Builder will be officially forged. I am just about to ask for you to step forward. Then you will place your hand on your hilt. And when I say activate, you will activate together as one. Step forward, Builders. Hand on your hilt. Activate.
Oh, mine didn't work. Oh, there it goes.
Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have created a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you. You will change the galaxy just like they did, but remember, it only takes a spark. That spark is strong in all of you, but if you would deactivate and lower your symbols.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your
That was honestly one of the best experiences I've ever done at Disney. It's in a bag, it's on my arm now, but that was honestly so much fun. I don't think we're on Batu anymore. Strange little planet. Oh, Toy Story Land it's called. How strange. My hair didn't last very long being down, so now I've put it up. But we're about to queue for Toy Story Midway Mania! And this little madam absolutely loved it, so I'm taking her around again. We're doing Star Tours again.
It's about time.
Are you excited? How excited?
Is like a second language.
Last time, this is the Lost Jewel. I will put the ingredients on the screen, but it's very, very delicious. Time for Frozen. It's not the same about Equity Bend, but we're doing it.
Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope.
That's not the street.
I'm drawing a blank, take over.
Listen.
Where the chocolate fondue.
I can tell it's fall because right in front of me, I see a pumpkin spice hot egg.
.8 at night. The park does shut in half an hour, but we have an Ogre's Cantina reservation at 9:30. So we're just killing time. We're going to do this, head back to Ogre's. Hopefully the rain will have stopped, take some photos of the Millennium Falcon at night. Even if the rain hasn't stopped, guess what we're doing? We're getting wet and taking photos with our lightsabers. So let's go on Mickey and Minnie's.
I know it's all there is to be. Slowly erase your destiny, and you will be just fine.
Galaxy's Edge at night looks incredible, like incredible. Hollywood Studios is completely empty. Like there is literally one family walking in front of us and that's it. Like, this is crazy. Where did you get this? It's like a window at the books. It's so dead. It's so dead. We're literally the only two people walking out of Hollywood Studios right now. I've just got on the bus. I'm queen of the bus. It's literally me and my dad. I don't know if you can hear this on the camera, but they're playing Harry Potter right now. And last time I checked, we were at Disney, not Universal. So this is quite confusing. Da, 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 da. Home sweet home, let me into the room, magic band. So I just made it back to the room and what an epic day that was at Hollywood Studios. I've got mascara under my eye. Honestly, incredible day. I had so much fun. This evening has been absolutely amazing. Epic day. It rained. We didn't get rained out. I stayed. I was like, walk-ons every ride. Rise of Resistance said 55 minutes. Walk-on? What is that about? I am a firm believer that Disney do up the wait time to make people buy the Lightning Lane and Genie Plus. I'm adamant about that now. Tower of Terror was advertised at 65 minutes. We waited for 30. So I'm adamant that that is the case at the moment. But thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm going to log off. I'm going to go to bed. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow for, I'm not too sure what I'm doing, but I'll see you in the next vlog. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.